Sabu Maghreb, Sabun. I come from South Sudan. It's a new country, 4 years old, and I'm excited to be one of the Mandela Washington Fellows for 2015. I am excited because I am here to, one way, share my experience working with youth in the field of education, because I am a firm believer in education, because I know it's education that can transform society. And having been raised, born and raised partly in South Sudan, where the country has been in conflict for long, and looking at myself now, if I did not get the chance to get educated, then I would be nobody, and my life would not impact my country. My one dream for South Sudan, really my one dream, I want peace, I want stability, I want security, I want to sleep in peace, I want economic development.
What is your one dream for Africa?
What am I going to do for Africa?
No, what is your one dream?
My one dream for Africa? My one dream for Africa, I want to see Africa utilizing the resources that the continent is endowed with for the betterment of the entire continent. Believe me, Africa has all the resources. I mean, most of the Western countries actually, they depend on resources that are brought from Africa. So if we can make use of those resources to develop our own countries, forget about the conflicts that we're involved in, because they are costing a lot. The conflicts were involved in taking much of our budget that is used to provide basic services for our own people, into fighting wars which are not very helpful. So my one dream is really Africa should realize economic development starts right now, and we cannot do that if we're still involved in violence, conflicts, which is always reported in the media about Africa.